Welcome to Inside Monad. Today's video is, what is Monad? The next general blockchain explained. This video is for anyone curious about the future of decentralized technology, and for those who want to understand how a new blockchain is tackling today's limitations. By the end, you'll learn Monad's core concepts, its innovative features, and why it's set to become a game changer in the blockchain space. In today's digital age, blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries. However, current blockchains face significant challenges. Today, we're diving deep into Monad, a groundbreaking project designed to overcome these hurdles. Let's start by understanding the problem Monad aims to solve. Existing blockchains, while powerful, often struggle with fundamental limitations. These include slow transaction speeds, limited scalability, and often prohibitively high transaction fees. So what exactly is Monad, and how does it plan to tackle these issues? Monad is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain, engineered from the ground up to redefine what's possible. It promises lightning-fast execution, massive scalability, and a developer-friendly ecosystem. Let's explore some of Monad's key features that make it stand out. Monad achieves unparalleled throughput through parallel execution, processing thousands of transactions concurrently. By optimizing its architecture, Monad ensures significantly lower transaction fees, making it accessible to more users and applications. Monad is also EVM compatible, allowing developers to seamlessly migrate existing dApps and build new ones with familiar tools. A blockchain's strength is also measured by its ecosystem and community. Monad is rapidly building a vibrant ecosystem, attracting developers and users eager to explore its potential. From DeFi and NFTs to gaming and beyond, Monad offers a versatile platform for a wide array of decentralized applications. Why should you care about Monad? Monad represents the next evolutionary step in blockchain technology, addressing the critical pain points that limit current systems. With its focus on scalability, speed, and a thriving community, Monad is poised to unlock new possibilities for decentralized applications and user experiences. Ready to dive deeper into the world of Monad? Follow Inside Monad for tutorials, updates, and deep dives into this revolutionary blockchain. Don't miss out on the future.